I came across a product today on Etsy, and it honestly blew my mind. And I promise you, if you create this product today and watch this video until the end, you're going to learn a lot, and you can start making some serious sales. By the end of this video, just open your laptop, grab a cup of coffee, and let's jump straight into the practical steps and the design process. So first, this product is actually labeled by Etsy as a bestseller, which means it's been generating a lot of sales over the past 6 months. And if we look a little higher up, we'll notice something interesting. This product is currently in 20 people's carts right now, which means it's actively selling as we speak. And the seller is pricing it at just $1.60, which is honestly a great price point. Now, if we scroll down a bit, you'll see that this product has a full 5-star rating in the reviews section. And what's even more important, all of these reviews are recent. That means this product is trending right now. It's making sales at this very moment, and this is our opportunity to jump in and create something similar. Now let's take a closer look at the images of this kid's activity. You'll notice that it's designed to teach children numbers from 1 to 10. Which means the seller is basically offering just 10 pages, and each page includes multiple exercises focused on one specific number. For example, if we look at the number 1, the page starts with numbers from 1 to 10 displayed at the top, but one number is missing, and that's number 1. The child's task is to fill in that missing number inside a small box. Then after that, the child uses Play-Doh to shape the number 1. And this is actually amazing because it doesn't just teach the child how to write, it also helps improve hand control, motor skills, and at the same time, the child is having fun playing with Play-Doh while learning. And on the right side of the page, you'll see a grid made up of 10 small squares. The child then colors the number of squares that match the number. So for number 1, they only color one square from the grid. And here, you can see all 10 pages of the activity. I personally loved this product, and that's exactly why I decided today we're going to create a similar one together. So let's dive in and see exactly how we can do it, step by step. But before we start, let me tell you something that will make you really happy. Today, I added 5 brand new products to my 80-book bundle, and if you scroll down, you'll see that I've included 5 secret products inside the collection. Now here's the best part. I didn't want only buyers to benefit, so I made product number 1 and product number 11 from these secret items available for everyone. So if we click on product number 11, it will open directly with me here on Canva, and you'll see that this product is called Ladybug Matching Activities. The first page of this product contains ladybugs, and each one has a number from 1 to 9. Then, if we go to the second page, you'll find 9 red circles, and each circle contains a number of dots, also from 1 to 9. This activity is very simple, but I'm 100% sure it can generate a lot of sales on Etsy. For example, the child will go to the second page, cut out one of the circles, let's say the one with 4 dots. Then go back to the first page and search for the ladybug with the number 4, and stick the red circle with 4 dots onto it. And just like that, the child learns numbers, how to match them, and how to count in a very easy and fun way. And the final look of the first page is actually beautiful. I personally really loved this activity, even though I'm the one who created it. And it doesn't stop there. You can easily duplicate the first page and continue the numbers. You don't have to limit yourself to just 2 pages of this activity. I'm simply giving you ideas with these secret products, so you can expand and create your own unique versions. Now, if we go back to the 15 secret products, I also left product number 1 available for everyone. And if we click on it, it will open here on Canva as well. This product is also amazing, and it focuses on numbers from 1 to 10 across 10 pages. The first page is for number 1, and then moves to a fun exercise below. The instruction says, cut 1 apple from the apples at the bottom and paste it onto the tree. So the child cuts 1 apple and places it on the tree, representing the number 1. Then, if we go to the second page, it's for number 2. The child learns how to write number 2 and then moves to another fun activity below. The exercise says, cut 2 fish from the bottom and paste them into the fishbowl. I didn't complete all the pages. I just left you ideas so you can easily finish the rest from 1 to 10. All you have to do is continue with the same pattern as the first and second pages, and that way your product becomes unique, and you won't have identical listings competing with each other. Now, going back to my 80-book bundle, it's no longer just 80 books. It's a complete collection of 80 full books, and each book contains around 30 pages. You can easily edit everything, whether on Etsy or using Photoshop. You'll receive the files as PDFs and fully editable Canva templates. And I'm confident that if you get this bundle, it can generate amazing sales for you, whether on Etsy or Amazon. Because this collection was built very professionally over the past months, and it reflects more than 7 years of experience in this field. And the best part, it includes all types of trending kids books. Literally any book you can imagine, you'll find it inside this bundle. Plus, you can easily combine these books together to create completely new products, enough to sell on Amazon for at least 2 years. Just imagine opening your own store on Etsy or Amazon and selling more than 100 books. I'm telling you, you can generate hundreds of sales from these products, and it gets even better. I add new products to this bundle every single month, and they're available to anyone who purchases the bundle at any time. The price will definitely increase in the coming days, because right now it's heavily discounted. And honestly, the 15 secret products alone are worth more than the full bundle price. I carefully researched them, and I'm sure they will sell very well on Etsy. I've already added 15 Etsy-focused secret products so far, and the latest 5 were just released today. These products are kept secret so they remain exclusive to buyers, giving them a real advantage over others in the market. I'll leave the bundle link in the description and in the pinned comment. Get it now, you won't regret it. Every dollar you invest in this bundle can come back multiplied many times. I'm absolutely sure of that. And sorry for taking a bit long. Now let's jump straight into designing the product we saw at the beginning of the video. Now we're going to jump straight into Canva and create a new design with dimensions 11 by 8.5. After that, we'll go to the Elements tab, then into Shapes, and choose this rectangle because I want the page to look like a flashcard. So I'll resize the rectangle to cover the entire page, just leaving a small margin around the edges. Then I'll change the rectangle color to white and the border color to red. Now the page looks exactly like a clean flashcard, white background with red borders. Now for the second step, we're going to add the numbers from 1 to 10 inside small boxes at the top of the page. So I'll add another square, change its color to white, and give it a black border with a thickness of 2. Then I'll resize it smaller, drag it to the top of the page, and type the number 1 inside. Next, I'll change the font to Genty Sans. I really like this font. It looks clean and kid-friendly. Let's increase the font size a bit, and then change the text color to red. After that, I'll duplicate this square 10 times and align them across the top like this. Then I'll fill in the numbers from 1 to 10 inside each box. Since this first page is for number 1, I'll leave the box for number 1 empty so the child can write it. Now that we're done with the first part of the page, I want to add a big number 1 in the center so the child can learn how to write it properly. So I'll duplicate one of these squares, enlarge it, and place it right here. Then I'll go back to Elements and search for number 1 tracing. You'll find a lot of great options, but I'll use this one as an example. I'll insert the number 1, adjust the square size to match it, and then change its color to red so it fits the overall design. Now I want to add some visuals next to the number that match the concept. For example, since this is number 1, I'll add one object, like a lion. So I'll duplicate the square again, place it next to the big number, and resize it slightly. Then I'll go back to Elements, search for lion, and choose this image. I'll place it inside the large rectangle so the child can visually connect the number with counting. Later, for number 2, we'll add 2 lions and so on. Now we're almost done. There's just one small section left on the page where we'll add another activity. I'll go to Elements, search for Table, and insert one. I want this table to have 10 squares, so here's how we do it. I'll right-click, remove the extra columns until I end up with 5 columns, each with 2 rows. That gives me exactly 10 boxes. Then I'll reduce the border thickness to 2. And now for the last detail. I want to add a hand showing one finger to represent the number 1. So I'll go back to Elements, search for 1, and choose this hand icon. I'll place it right here in the empty space. And just like that, the page is complete. The child will first write the number 1 in the empty box at the top, then practice tracing it in the center, then count the image next to it, which is 1 lion, and finally go down to the table and color 1 square. This activity is amazing. It teaches writing, counting, and visual recognition all in one simple page. And like we mentioned before, you can even use Play-Doh with it to make the learning experience more fun and interactive. Now you will continue the rest of the numbers from 1 to 10 using the exact same method. But let's quickly create the page for number 3 together. All I need to do is duplicate the first page, then go to the top section and remove the number 3 from its box. I simply update all the activities to match number 3. So instead of the hand showing 1 finger, I'll replace it with a hand showing 3 fingers. Then I'll delete the lion image, and instead I'll add 3 balloons to represent the number 3. As for the table at the bottom, I'll leave it exactly the same, because the child will now color 3 squares from it, matching the number. And here in the center, instead of number 1, I'll delete it, go back to Elements, search for number 3, and place a big number 3 inside the square. Then I'll change its color to red so it matches the rest of the design. And just like that, this page took less than a minute to create, which means the entire product won't take you more than 30 minutes to finish. After that, you can download it as a PDF, and you already know how easy it is to sell something like this on Etsy. And remember, you can find similar products and even better ones inside my 80-book bundle that I told you about at the beginning of the video. And like I said before, the price of this bundle will increase very soon, so I highly recommend you grab it today. I'm confident that you can make multiple times your investment using this collection, way more than you expect. I'll see you in a new video soon, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so I can keep creating more valuable content for you. Goodbye!